Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the wizard could not start. Make sure your audio hardware is working properly. Click Start, Settings. Click Privacy. Click Microphone. Turn on under Allow apps to access your microphone. Right-click speaker icon, click Open Sound Settings. Click Sound Control Panel. Click Recording. Click Microphone, click Configure. Click Set up Microphone. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.